In this tutorial, we will be adding a bank account using a microdeposit. To add a microdeposit, click on Add, then click Microdeposit. Within 48 hours, the 2 microdeposits will be added to your account. Once you see those deposits, log back into Renttropolis and enter those 2 amounts into the screen to verify your bank. First, add your routing number and your bank account number. Click Save. Within 48 hours, you'll see the 2 deposits in your bank account. Log back into Renttropolis and click on Microdeposit. Enter the 2 amounts here and click Save so we can verify your account. Once your account is verified, you will be able to pay your landlord using the Pay Rent option. Thank you.